Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Interview Hub. Today I will discuss about how we will do update WordPress. Like WordPress maintenance update is very important. Like however, who are working with the WordPress websites, like WordPress business core, WordPress plugins and themes, and we need to regularly update those plugins and themes. Otherwise, attackers may can insert malicious virus or code into your file, and you can face a phishing attack, or maybe your website can be hacked by them. Okay, so it will basic need to you should update your WordPress sites. Like I will tell you how you will do update safely. uh, like you can see this is a techinterviewhub.in, and you can go to this website and you can learn about those things. Like you can read the about my blog, and I'll tell and I'll and tell you that how you will update the safely. Okay, so why will update actually? Number one reason is security. You should update WordPress sites regularly because of security reasons. Otherwise, as I mentioned like earlier, like attackers may insert vulnerable code into your web files. Okay, and otherwise, if you update regularly, it will like your website performance will increase, right? So your website perform will good, and it will good for SEO as well. Okay, and like now I will tell you the step by step. So you need first of all is one like create you have to you have a website, you have a test cases, right? Like it may be e-commerce website, it may be learning management site, or it may be a blog site, but every website has a test case, right? You have to prepare the test case. Like I have mentioned, like you can use the Excel or any document. Like you can create column and test case name and steps, like how we can replicate the steps. Like I have created, if we are using Landash, right? To go to the Landash and course, then add new course, then we'll check the is course created or not. So if not, then Landash function plugin has some issue. So like that we can create all test cases for our current website functionalities, major and minor. Okay, maximum major. After creation of test cases, we need a staging site. Do you know what is staging site? Like before applying any code or any functionality, we should apply those things on staging site. Staging site is a basically replica of your production environment. Okay, so you have to clone using clone live site to, like from live site to staging site. You can use any third party plugin like Update Plus, Migrate Guru, WP Staging. Like those plugins are, you can clone your live site to staging site. Okay, you can go to their I have provided here link. You can go to their page and you can learn how to clone live to staging site. Also many, if your staging also share same server, like whatever your live site present on this hosting, and same hosting also for the staging site, then like as if I mention like SiteGround or Cloudways, they have option to cloning live to staging site. You will get the option on the hosting platform, hosting dashboard. So you will just click on the button and clone the live to staging site. After staging site, you have to disable email, because if you are handling with the emails, so you are cloning the live to staging, so there might be chance your email can be sent to your customers, real customers, right, from the staging side. And after receiving those emails, your customer can click on your staging URL and visit staging URL. But you should want like rather visit the staging site, customer can should visit your live site, right? So you have to disable your email. You can use the disable email plugin or stop email. You have to just activate those plugin on your WordPress website. Then those emails will be stopped, and we can secure the staging site also. And then update perform, like go to the dashboard section and go to the update, and after that you can update core WordPress plugins and themes, or maybe any database update may come, like WooCommerce, maybe Elementor if you are using. Then you have to update all those things, right? After updating on the staging site, just remember we are updating on the staging site, right? After updating all the things on the staging site, you should test your staging site fast, right? We have already created the test cases in our first step. So match the test cases and test start testing on the staging side, test all your major and minor functionality. If all things are looks good, okay, if all things are looks good, then we can schedule our live site maintenance, right? So, and if you are face any errors or like issues, critical error, then you can you have to fix those things. Maybe if you are like suppose for if you update some any plugin, suppose you update WooCommerce and you are facing a payment related issue, or maybe at in on issue on checkout page which is relatable to the WooCommerce plugin, then you can just roll back to the specific plugin, not roll back. Like suppose you update WooCommerce from 1.2 to 2.1, then you have to just roll back again to 2.2 1.0 to fix the issue. Like that in fix, or also you can raise a support ticket with the specific plugin support, like if WooCommerce land as like that, you have to fix those issues on the staging side fast. They also mention like what are the steps you perform after the fixing the all errors, then you can schedule the live site maintenance, right? So how you will perform now live site, okay? So suppose you are performing going to perform, so it will may take from 30 minutes to 1 hour, right? So you have to activate the site under maintenance, like maintenance mode. So you can use the WP maintenance plugin like light start. You have to just activate the plugin and activate the maintenance mode. Then whenever on the maintenance time, if any other users like your customers come to the site, they can see your maintenance is undergoing. They will understand that it will good for user also user flow. So you have to enable the maintenance mode. After that, take the full backup. Again, your hosting platform depend on the subscription. You should have a like if you have the premium support, then there should have the backup plan. So you can using your hosting, you can like create a pre-update backup. Also you can third party plugin like Update Plus, okay, all in one backup. Those plugin can take your site full backup, like plugins, themes, WordPress, and database also, okay. After that, on the live site, update only staging side updates. Suppose you update WooCommerce from 1.1 to 2.1, okay, and then recently release any another version, but don't update that. Only update those plugins that you updated on staging site, okay, no extra. After updating on the live site, starting testing on the production in your environment. After testing, if you find any issue, then you have to just debug on the live site, okay. Sometimes it may occur, you face issue on the production environment, but most of the cases, if you test staging environment smoothly, then it will not create any issue. And if you update only staging updates perform, then it will not create an issue. Like, but if you face any issue on the live site after update, you have to fix those using SSH. Like you have to log in as SSH or SFTP server, and you have to check files and you have to debug those things. So this is the basic process, okay. So following this process, you can update your WordPress site safely, right? This is the today's learning. And if you want this type of videos, any tips, you can subscribe us and also do like and comment. Thank you.